Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install SSL strip, also how to fix errors that I have mentioned in thumbnail and in title. So first open your browser and type SSL strip GitHub. Now open this link and copy this URL. Now type this command git clone and paste the URL that you have copied and press enter. Once it is installed, now type cd SSL strip. Then type ls and run this command python SSL strip .py. So here you will see an error, that is import error, no module named twisted.web. So to fix this, type this command pip install twisted and press enter. So now you will see that it is successfully installed. Now try to run this command again, that is python SSL strip.py. So here you will see that you are getting the same error, that is import error, no module name twisted.web. And when you try to run this command, that is pip install twisted, you will get that requirement already satisfied. Before moving forward, if you are not getting this error, that is twisted.web, after installing twisted through pip, you can check my previous video that I have uploaded earlier. Also I mentioned that video in above I button. But if you are facing this error, that is a requirement already satisfied, then follow me in this video. So now the next command you have to type is pip install virtual env and press enter. Once it is installed, copy this address and type cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot. Then type virtual env -p python 2 ssl strip env. Press enter. Once your virtual environment created, now we have to activate it. So type this command source SSL strip env /win/activate and press enter. If you want to exit to this virtual environment, just type deactivate and press enter. But for now I am continuing in this for further installation. So previously we have copied this path, that is a slash home khali SSL strip. Now type cd and paste that path and press enter. Now try to run this command, python .py sslstrip.py. Press enter. Now you will see that it's working. And if you are facing error like this, import error, no module name OpenSSL, just simply run this command, that is pip install twisted py open SSL service identity and press enter. This will fix all of your errors like no module name twisted, no module name OpenSSL. And try to run this command, that is python sslstrip.py again, and it works. Thank you for watching this video. If this video solves your problem, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel.